Hello all of you, welcome to our session on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn what is ABS function or absolute function in Microsoft Excel. So you can see there is a list in column regarding names A, B, C, D, E. There are numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So actually absolute value of any number is its number without its sign. So let's see, suppose this is 20 is a positive value. Let's make this 30 negative. Let's make this 40 as negative. Let this 50 number be as it is, and let this 60 number be made as minus 60. And you require the absolute values of the numbers which are there in this C column, and the output which you require suppose will be in E column. So how I have to write the function? There are various ways by which you can write. You have to write first is equal to, the shortcut for absolute is ABS. So write ABS, give the bracket, and after giving the bracket you either select whose absolute number is required and then close the bracket. So as this 20 is a positive value, the result for that will be 20. So now take your cursor to the extreme right bottom side of this particular cell. You can see that this cursor becomes black in color. Hold down the left click and just drag the values like this. So you can see that the same formula is repeated. Here you will see it was C2, here it is C3. So the value of absolute, the absolute value for minus 30 is without its sign, so it becomes 30. Absolute value for minus 40 is without its sign, so it becomes 40. 50 is as positive value, so 50's output is 50. Minus 60's absolute value is again 60. So this is the absolute function. Whenever we have to eliminate any sign, we have to write the function as absolute. Also I can write in this way, absolute. We know the coordinate for 20 which is C2, so I can directly write here C2, type here, so that you will see that this column or the cell becomes colored, that is selected cell, and then close the bracket, you will get the same answer. So either you can select the cell or you can write the coordinates for the cell. In this way we can learn the absolute function in Excel. Thank you.